it's Doris with All the Books, and I am here to do the Cats and Books tag. I was tagged by Spinster's Library, who is the creator of this tag, and it is an excellent tag, perfect for me and several other cat lovers in my life. If you've been tagged, get to it. Yep. So the first question is to introduce your cats. So we're gonna go do that right now, but spoiler alert, is this a spoiler? They're gonna be sleeping, and I mean, that's probably what you would expect anyway, because you know, we all know that cats love their cat naps, but mine have had an especially tiring morning. We were out, you know, catching some air this morning, enjoying nature and the cicadas, which, you know, is a story all its own. Yeah, but then I went to check on them, and I found Pico, instead of being under the bush where he normally was, he was up in the tree, quite high up. He's never been that high before, and yeah, he was stuck. So that whole cliche about calling the fire department because your cat's stuck in a tree is pretty accurate. It's real. It's not a cliche. And then there was Friendly Neighborhood Golden Retriever, except I don't know from what neighborhood he came from, but he was a sweet boy. But yeah, I don't think the cats were overly impressed, which added to the chaos. And luckily, there was a neighbor out with sliding ladders on his truck, and I went and asked him for help. And Mario, his name was Mario, Super Mario, instead of taking his ladders off his truck, he just climbed the tree and rescued Pico. What a guy. It was like Spider-Man. Anyway, let's go meet the kitties and interrupt their nap time. This is Bitty Boo. Yeah, we call her Boo or Boo Baby. Yeah, she's my baby. Oh, my baby girl. So precious. So precious. This is Pico de Gallo. We call him Pico or Guy. And he's feeling a little bit exhausted after this morning's big adventures. Aren't you, Guy? That was some time, wasn't it? Okay, so question number 2 is, what book would you recommend for cat lovers? So, I know surely all of you have met Adam's new kitties. Adam from Mementomori. Blue and Fellini. It is Fellini, right? Anyway, go check his channel out. They are adorable. The cats, they are so adorable. Little kitties, little blue seal point Siamese kitties. I'm gushing. Anyway, Adam, this is for you. Adventure Cats by Laura J. Moss. Get those boys a harness. Yeah. Take them on an adventure. I think those guys want to see some California redwoods. I do. But really, I mean, I think that's your speed. But if it's not, you could open a bodega. There's an Instagram account, Twitter, Bodega Cats. They could be famous. It could be awesome. Look, that one's even in a library. Let's see some more of that. Yeah. That's a well-read cat right there. So yes, Shop Cats of New York. This one is by Tamar Arslanian, photographed by Andrew Martilla. Yes. Oops, lost my list. Question number 3. Your favorite fictional feline, hands down. That would be Hobbes from Calvin and Hobbes fame. I love this cartoon so much. Yes, I'm a child of the 80s, and I just remember my dad and I both just reading these every one we could get. Every time one came out, we would get it for my dad for Christmas, and we loved Calvin and Hobbes so much. Okay, number 4, a book that your cat could star in and be the main characters. I've got 3 cats actually, but we're only chatting about 2. I don't know where the other one is right now. She's an old lady. She takes naps on a regular basis. Anyway, that is Lao Shi Cat Country. This is about cat people set on Mars, and the 2 that you've seen this morning are children, and they are space cadets. So yeah, I haven't read this yet, but Sean the Book Maniac sent it to me, and I think it's gonna be a fun ride. It's science fiction, obviously, but yeah. I also think they would like, speaking of space cadets, there's a graphic novel called Catstronauts that I haven't read yet either, but I think would be a good one. Number 6, no, we're on 5. Number 5, a book that your cats would enjoy. I'm going to go with Dewey, the Small Town Library Cat Who Touched the World by Vicki Myron. This is about a little cat that lived in a library and took the library up a notch, made it popular, and yes, it was a cozy read. I think my cats would feel comfortable in this environment, obviously. They do. Okay, now on 6. A book that would benefit from having a cat as a character, or cats. And I'm going to go with the cats part and go with The Master and Margarita by Mikhail Bulgakov. I read this recently, and it was just all over the place. So there is already a cat in this book, a really big anthropomorphic cat. Well, I think this book would benefit from having another cat as kind of a side narrator and have some asides in the story to kind of explain as we go, so that this book would be more comprehensible on the first run through. But, you're gonna have to reread it sometime to really get it. Yes. And number 7, have your cat pick your next read. Let's go try that right now. Which one should mommy read first? Huh? Over here, boo. Which one? Go get it. Boo, come on now. Look. Oh my gosh. Which one? Which one, boo? This one or this one? Boo baby. Boo baby. Oh my god. Look. Which one, boo? Oh. Which one? Is it gonna be the bees? Okay. We're gonna read the bees. That was something else right there. And the last one tags some cat people. So obviously Adam from Mementomori needs to do this tag. And on a side note, the questions do not have to have cat representation in them, most of them. I just went that route because I have a lot of cat books, because hello crazy cat lady. So yes, Adam from Mementomori, and Pfeil, she also just adopted kittens, and oh my gosh, one of them is Siamese and the other one is, he's called Panda for good reason. He is adorable. You'll have to just check him out and see. And oh, my Aussie friend Cook Reed Create, she has lovely cats too, and I don't think she's been tagged yet. So yes, that's all I got. And if I can find the old lady, I was supposed to tell you the ages of my cats. So Bitty Boo is 2.5, and Pico de Gallo is 1.5. He weighs 14 pounds and Bitty Boo weighs 7. And then the old lady is Chi Chi. I'll see if I can find her for you. She is 16. Yes, because my son is going to be 15 in October, and she's a little more than a year older than him. So she's 16, yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll chat with you soon. Bye. Oh my goodness. TT, did you know I was looking for you? You were in here the whole time. You were. Ooh, you having a good nap? Say bye. Bye. Hey, I was getting ready to film another video, and I thought I'll just tag on a couple little clips on the end of this of the escapades from yesterday morning. So if you're still around, enjoy. What's going on over here, guys? Huh? Is there something in the tree? Do we need to call the fire department guy? What? What's the matter, guy? Are you stuck? You will have to work this out on your own, guy. Oh dear. Y'all, we got a situation. This one is not impressed. Oh my god. Did you have such a big day? Did you? You get caught a cicada? Got chased by a doggy? Got stuck in a tree? Got rescued by Spider-Man? Ooh. You just better stay in and relax the rest of the day after all that. Yeah. Yeah. Are you recuperating from your morning's activities, guys?